The Office of the Prefect of Discipline is headed by Ms. Melissa R. Montaire, Vice Principal, Office of the Student Affairs, with Ms. Myla P. Kula, and yours truly. The office is located in the second floor, room number 53. Tardiness, the official time is 7 o'clock. 7:06 is the cut-off time to be considered late or tardy. 3 days of accumulated tardiness is considered 1 day absent. 4 days, warning, advisor and parents will be informed. 6 days, parent conference. 8 days in a quarter, 1 day suspension through community service. A student who is late for more than 30 minutes shall present a letter from the parent to the POD before entering the classroom. Proper haircut for boys, 2x3, 2 inches above the ear and 3 inches above the nape hairline, and bangs should not touch the eyebrow. Proper school uniform, preschool, elementary, grade 1 and grade 6, junior high school, long sleeve for girls, prescribed uniform for senior high. PE uniform with PSD winter jacket. Prohibited inside the school, hair coloring, more than 2 earrings, makeup, lipstick, nail polish, skinhead, celebrity haircut with earrings for boys. This sports equipment is also prohibited unless there is a gadget slip duly signed by the parents, the advisor, and the teacher. Policy in using cell phone inside the campus. First, confiscation, warning, and the cell phone or gadget will be returned to you at the end of dismissal. Second, confiscation, parents will come and claim the gadget. Third, confiscation, the gadget will be confiscated and it will be returned only at the end of the school year. In case of loss or damage, no investigation will be conducted. Forms of disciplinary actions, verbal warning, warning notice, suspension through community service, provision, watch list, and dismissal. For minor and major offenses, please refer to the parents' agreement form signed during the enrollment, or you can visit the prefect of discipline in the second floor for more information. Reminder, September 8, 2024, Sunday, the POD will monitor tardiness, the wearing of proper school uniform, haircut, and good grooming. Thank you very much.